Okay, a piece of candy is on an inclined plane. And you could tell it's candy because it says candy right there. Makes an angle of 23 degrees with the horizontal. There's a static coefficient of 0.72, kinetic of 0.30 between the candy and the plane. If the candy is initially at rest, will it start to slide? So now we're asking, will it slide, right? All by itself. So notice that where we expect to see the mass of the piece of candy, we just see the word candy. So this is one of these ones where we just don't know the mass. So the trick there is to just leave the mass in there and hope that it cancels out. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. I think we do force parallel is mg, sine theta, right? Okay, that's an S. mg sine theta. So we're just going to go m times 9.81 times sine of 23. Okay, so let's do that. 9.81 sine of 23. And I get 3.833 m. And that's all we can do, right? We can just leave it in terms of m. There it is, right? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to find the perpendicular component of gravity, right? So that's going to be mg cos theta. Okay, so that's going to be, for us, it's going to be m times 9.81 times cos 23. Okay, so let's see. Second entry, change the sine to a cos. Change the A to a B. I'm storing this in register B just for fun. And I get 9.030. So it equals, right, we've got 2 sig figs. I'm carrying 4. That should be ample. Sig figs. Okay, so let's see. Then we need to find the force of friction, the static force of friction. Okay. Right, and that's going to be this static coefficient. This will be the maximum static, right? This is as big as it can get. It will be 0.72 times 9.030 m. Okay, times 0.72 is 6.502. Okay, that's the maximum kinetic, and then I'm sorry, static, right? And I already know, by the way, the parallel force is not as big as the static friction, right? So therefore, it will not start to slide down the plane, right? Nope. But I'm going to keep going. Let's find the kinetic friction too. Just for fun, is 0.30 times 9.030 m. So 0.3 times, and I get 2.709 m. Okay, I'm going to store that in D. Okay, hold on. Then I'm just going to go and I'm going to store the other one. I'm storing these things in memory locations because it's oh so handy to have them. Okay, so now the question is, will it start to slide on the plane, right? It's definitely not going to start to slide on the plane, right? Because for any m that's greater than 0, right? Okay, unless we have antimass, right? And, the parallel force, which is acting down the plane, this guy here, 3.833 m, right? That parallel force is not as big as the maximum static, right? So 3.833 m is less than 6.502 m, right? So no, it won't start to slide. Okay, and that's all we came here for. Now we're going to use these numbers, parallel force and maybe this guy, but most likely these guys, right? This guy here and this guy here, probably to solve other parts of this problem. Okay.